Welcome to my video where we're going to graph 3x plus 5y is equal to 10. So the first thing we want to do is do some algebra on this. So we take the 3x plus 5y is equal to 10. Now we want to put y on one side and x on the other side. So the simplest thing to do would be to divide everything by 5. That'd be one start, so we get 3/5 x plus y, because the 5's cancel, is equal to 2. So now we want to take the 3/5 x on the other side, so we're going to subtract minus 3/5 x from this side, minus 3/5 x from the left. Those two are going to cancel each other out, so we're going to be left with y is equal to 2 minus 3/5 x. So now there is our equation. We've got y as a function of x. So that's what we want to try to plot. All right, now we want to plot the graph of this function. We're first going to evaluate at minus 5. So this function evaluated at minus 5, so we're going to get minus 3 divided by 5 at minus 5 plus 2. The minus signs cancel out, the 5's cancel out, so we're going to be left with minus 3 plus 2, that's equal to 5. Now in this case, where x is equal to 0, then we're going to get minus 3 divided by 5 times 0 plus 2 is just equal to 2. And for x equal to 5, we're going to get minus 3 divided by 5 times 5 plus 2. So that's going to be minus 3 plus 2, which is minus 1. So our 3 points we want to try to plot are at x equal to minus 5, y is equal to 5, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, and at x equal to 5, y is equal to minus 1. So there's our 3 points we want to try to plot. So let's put them on the graph now. So at x equal to minus 5, we have a plus 5, so it's this point right here. We're up to about right there. Now at x equal to 0, at 2, so x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, there's our point there. Now at x equal to 5, we get a minus 1, so that's about right there. Now let's draw our line through it. So there's our graph. That's what we want to do here is we want to plot. We're going to write the equation here, 3x. So 3x plus 5y, 5 times y, and that's going to be equal to 10. Okay, so let's see if that's what we've got here. All right, so one of the points we had a while ago was at minus 5, we had a plus 5, so that's that point. And then at x equal to 0, we had a plus 2, that was our second point, right there. And then we had at x equal to plus 5, we had a minus 1. So there's our point there. So we've got all the points, and there's our graph, done both ways. I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, please give me a like, a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.